So why do we actually want self-confidence? Why is confidence important? Well, firstly, if you're confident, you're generally happier. Would you guys agree with that? Would you also agree that if you're happy, you're probably more likely to perform better? It's something that I try and push with my athletes competing at a top level, that a happy athlete, all else being equal, a happy athlete is a positive athlete, is a successful athlete. You will perform better if you're happier. If you're more confident, you will be happier. It improves your concentration. If you're confident, then you're focused on the mind at hand. You can, again, have that focus, that attentional narrowing. It'll make your goals bigger. Now, if you set bigger goals, then you're more challenged to work towards them. If you're more challenged to work towards them, then you're going to achieve bigger things. Okay? What's your max snatch? 47.5. What do you reckon would be a goal? So what's your goal? 70. Okay? Good magnitude there. Who was thinking she was going to say 50? A few people, yeah? That's a little goal. Could Danny not train her snatch in the next 6 months and then hit 50? Yeah, she doesn't really have to work on it. We're going to talk about this more when we talk about goals in a moment. But if you're confident, if your self-confidence is improved, you set more aggressive reach goals. Therefore, you have to work harder to get them. Therefore, you end up improving by more than 2.5 kilos. Yeah, it all makes sense. It's all logical. It increases your effort levels. If you're confident, you actually try harder. So think of a movement that you're really good at, like it's your jam. Yeah, you're really good at this. A workout comes up with this and you're like, yeah, I've got this. You try harder on that. Think of something that you're really bad at. I am not a squatter. Do you try as hard when that thing comes up? Or do you sort of drop your effort levels because I'm not as good at this and you can't handle the pain as well? Do you feel like there's almost a lower pain threshold in the stuff that you're not good at? Yeah? Imagine if you thought you were better at everything, you would put more effort in. What happens when you put more effort into your squats? You get better at squats. Yeah? Our confidence is going to reflect our performance and our outcome. It changes your strategies. If you go into something with a lack of confidence, you go in with a very defensive mindset. Yeah? I need to try and not be beat. I don't want anyone to beat me. As opposed to going in with a positive mindset, I'm going to win. You're sort of after the same outcome, but it's a very different way of approaching it. Being more offensive, attacking, rather than defensive in your mindset. And that comes from you being more confident. If you believe you can do well, there's more chance that you are going to do well. And then your ability to rebound from adversity. Like I said, there will be troughs in anything. Yeah? It's a self-awareness play. If you know that those troughs are going to be there, then you expect them and you go, yep, hey trough, my old friend, we meet again. I'll see you in another cycle, yeah? Because I'll be back. If you can accept that and go, yep, I have the confidence though, the self-awareness that I'm going to be able to then rebound from adversity.